Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and I want to preview the June watercolor projects for you. Now, when I was thinking about this month and what I felt like painting, as I was thinking about June, and I was thinking about summer and summer nights and how they have this magic to them that I really wanted to capture with the projects that we're painting. So I want you to envision you've had a long winter, spring, the flowers were all about, all of that kind of stuff. And you go out into your yard and it's right after the sun went down, so it's dusk, but the sky is still lit up and the moon is starting to poke out maybe a few stars. And you look across the field and you see fireflies, which if you're in the Midwest, it's truly one of...
It's the most magical thing ever.
It's so magical. And every time I'm surprised by how in love with it I am, that I just, when you first see them, you always stop to watch. They're so beautiful. So presenting, drumroll please.
Drumroll. Drumroll.
Firefly Meadow.
Oh, it's so good.
And I mean, this is my view, honestly. Like we go outside and across the field, we just see so many fireflies, and we see tree shrubs, but they're kind of in the distance, and all this foliage with this dramatic, beautiful sky. I cannot wait to show you how to do this project. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been doing a lot of kind of like firefly projects in my journal. So it's all tied to this, and I'm really excited to do this with you. Okay? So Firefly Meadow, first project. Second project. Our family during the summer really likes to go camping. And I just feel like I have such fabulous memories of sitting around the campfire at night, roasting some s'mores, cozy, and just kind of gathered around your friends or your family, just these loved ones, and just being cozy next to the fire during these summer night campouts. So, presenting...
Drumroll.
Our campfire project.
Oh, man. Love that.
Now, this project is super fun because we get to focus on such drastic values, essentially, to create such a strong sense of glow along with our night sky. And the great thing about this is, like, you can adjust this to whatever you want, but being able to paint fire might seem really overwhelming, but I'm going to break it down for you in a way that you're going to be like, oh, okay, really? And I go, yeah, really, that's it.
That's all.
That's all. So I'm really excited, and I feel like this really captures that kind of like feeling of campfire and just watching it. I can hear it. Like I look at this and I can hear it crackling. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited to dive into this project with you. It's going to be super fun.
I think of no matter where I sit, the smoke follows me around the campfire.
I heard that the smoke follows who's ever most beautiful. And so when I was younger, I thought that I was extremely beautiful.
Just so gorgeous.
Because I'm like, this smoke can't leave me alone. I don't even know where I got that. Yeah. Like, who said that? I don't even know. Okay. And our very, very last project, I'm so excited for this one. When I painted this, I shared it in our business Slack to show everybody. I'm like, you guys, I just painted this project. It's just magical. And to me, there is nothing more magical and freeing than watching fireworks for the 4th of July on a summer night. So for our last project, we are painting...
Drum roll.
Rooftop Fireworks.
I do love that one so much.
I love this project so much. I love it because you can switch up the colors and it will still be stunning. I love that we have the context of a little boy with his dog. It's so fun. And the really great thing about this project is this might seem really intense, but the top half of this is so much just wet on wet and kind of really loose that if you were to take away this roof line and you wanted to do a more beginner-friendly project, this is very beginner-friendly. And I know it doesn't look like that, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's going to be like, great, I can paint fireworks, no problem. And I'm going to say, yeah, you can paint fireworks, no problem. So it's so fun. But I really feel like the added rooftop, I think, gives that little... I mean, when you were younger, gosh, the 4th of July was just so... exciting. And so I really wanted to kind of capture that with our little characters here on the rooftop. So anyways, I'm really thrilled with this month. I'm excited to dive into summer. It's so magical, and maybe it ties back to like if you were, in public school, you had your summers off. And so you got to stay out late and the sun went down later. And it just has this feeling of, what's going to happen next? You know what I mean? A summer
Mhm.
is always one of those things. What's going to happen next? And so I hope with these projects that we really capture that. I'm going to do in all three. So we have our campfire, we have our rooftop fireworks, and then we have our Firefly Meadow. So fun.
This box is fire. All right.
Yes.
Wow.
I'll take that.
I'm too old to say
This
it.
box is fire. I am doing fire in every single one of these projects. I didn't even realize that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, these will be available starting June 1st. It'll be available for the whole month of June. Once June is over, these projects will go into the archive. So I cannot wait to paint these with you. It's going to be a wonderful summer and a wonderful month. And I'll see you guys then. Bye.